Hi guys, thanks for watching my channel. I've been making a lot of videos on cameras, DSLR cameras, but this video I just want to talk about my channel. This is something that I've just been doing as a hobby, really, more than anything else. It's not really to sort of kind of become big on YouTube or anything, so it's just a case of just having fun making cameras. I love talking about cameras, so that's why I make them. But I just want to talk about my channel today and essentially the analytics and how all that kind of stuff works. So if I go to my customized channel, here you can see various things to do with the analytics of my channel. So here it tells you various things about the channel. So I'm not monetized because I'm not hit my 4,000 hours yet. So I'm not really fussed about that, to tell you the truth. It's more for making good videos and to showcase it to people. But if you want to know about how you need to get monetized, if you click on the monetization tab and go to the amount of subscribers you got. So I've got 2,330 subscribers at the moment. So I've hit the YouTube requirements for channels, and I've got 3,985. So I'm about 15 hours away from being monetized. But like I said, it's not really a big thing for me. It's just a case of making really good quality videos that give knowledge to people around the world. So yeah, that's how you become monetized. And then once you become monetized, I assume, like the more views you get a little bit of money. And I think you probably get money by Amazon affiliate and other sort of third-party associations that you may have. So yeah, so that's that. The one I want to show you is analytics. So if I click on analytics, here it will tell you your view count in realty. So I've had about 15,000 views this month in the last 28 days, and it tells you a kind of daily sort of kind of real time how many people are watching your video at given hourly slot. So I get about 30 sort of views per hour, which is not great, to tell you the truth, but it's something, and I'm quite happy with whatever I have via YouTube, really. So reach, this gives you reach, engagement, the amount of people that engage with it, audience, and revenues. Because I'm not monetized, I'm not making any money. I will make another video once I become monetized, and I'll show you, like the little bit of probably money I'm making via this channel. So what you really need to do is go to the Advanced tab. So if you click on the Advanced tab, this will give you much more sort of detailed breakdown of your channel. For example, it will give you by video and what sort of viewing count your video is getting. So this Canon 700D aperture is getting quite a fair few views per month, getting about 6,000-7,000. So it's doing quite well in terms of views. And the ratio to that is, in terms of subscribers, is 33.9%. So people that are watching this video, I am getting quite a fair few subscribers and views from it, which is excellent. Traffic source. This tells you where your source is coming from. So is it YouTube search? So majority of my video content viewing, and it's basically camera viewing. So by the looks of it, a lot of people that want to know about cameras are watching it, and this really essentially tells you how many people are watching videos via YouTube search as opposed to subscribers. So most of my viewing is by literally searches. So it's people that want to know about cameras and want to know about aperture, shutter, DSLR, and all those features is being watched via that. Okay, geography. So by geography, this is where majority of my traffic is coming from. So majority of my traffic is coming from the United States, United Kingdom, Indonesia, and India. India, for some reason, is a big contributor towards the viewing count of a lot of channels. Now, I know that from if you get like sort of views from India or Bangladesh or sort of Southeast Asia, so your monetization, the amount of money you make is probably a little bit less as opposed to if you're in the Western region. So that's quite an interesting fact that I found from many other YouTubers out there. But like I said, I'm not really bothered about that. I'm just appreciate all those Indian people in India watching me, and shout out to all you folk that are watching me, and please subscribe to this channel. Appreciate it. Viewing age, this is quite interesting. This gives you a breakdown of the age group that are watching your channel. So mine is essentially 18 to 24-year-olds, and I've got a percentage of 25 to 34-year-olds. this is slightly sort of increasing now, 13 to 17-year-olds. The reason that may be because some of my videos are safe for kids, so I do put that on because there's no sort of sort of inappropriate comments made, and I don't show any inappropriate content. So therefore, I do make it for kids as well. But majority of my viewing is 18 to 24-year-olds, so they're watching me. I don't know why they're watching me, but they're watching me. Gender view. This is a breakdown of gender view. So for my channel, it's mainly males that are watching me. So that's quite interesting for me. But this female percentage has been growing over the last couple of months and years. It was like literally 0.1%, and now it's sort of kind of bumped up to almost 15% by the looks of it. So that is growing, which is excellent. The next one is dates, and this one gives you a date breakdown of how many views you're getting per date, basically. If you go to more, I think this is quite interesting. This gives you a lot more sort of kind of options of viewing, how things are being watched. So like device type is the one I look at quite a lot. The reason why I look at that is because I want to see whether people are looking at my content via computer, tablet, TV, games console, or mobile phone. What I notice is that like anything in life, is huge amounts of viewing is via mobile phone. So my video content, I don't tend to make it, high def 4K. I tend to keep it at 720, and sometimes I film it with phone, because the reason why I say that is because when people are watching it on a phone screen, the quality is sort of compressed anyway, so the quality does stay pretty decent. So that gives me an indication that majority of my viewing content is via mobile phone. So I keep it at 720 DPI because I know that not a lot of people are watching it on TV. A few are watching it on tablet, but again, these are small sort of devices, and there's no point really me going on a bigger device in order to ascertain whether viewing is being sort of displayed on a bigger screen. So yeah, video. I go back to my video tab. This tells me, like I said, all the things about where my video is and how it's operating, how it's generating views. So I'm just going to close that now, guys. Close it. Just click back on that. It goes back to the sort of more sort of kind of generalized version, visual version like this. I don't think that necessarily this is the best way of accurately engaging with where your content is at the moment. You're probably better sort of going to the advanced tab over here and viewing it that way. It also gives you by date, so you can check it by date, so 7 days, 28 days, 30 days. So if I go sort of 36 a year, you can clearly see that I'm up to my 4,000 watch time, and I'm getting roughly about 150,000 views, like sort of per year. Reach gives me a reach of, I'm assuming this is a reach of where my channel's going. So I do have little dips here. So I have like blips of like sort of peaks within my channel, which is quite useful as well. But I don't think this is enough of an accurate data for me to identify whether I need to make changes to my channel. I think the advanced tab in terms of seeing works. If you like visual, you like histograms and all that sort of stuff, this kind of gives you a visual color-based viewpoint of your viewers on YouTube and what times they're watching mostly. So most people, by the looks of it, are watching about 6 o'clock. So maybe you want to post your videos about 5 o'clock, because that's when you will get a view. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This is slightly different from my YouTube video camera videos, but I just wanted to talk about analytics on YouTube. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.